Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It is coming up to summer, we're in a spring. We're gonna make a summer fruits drink, alright? Summer fruit drink. Look at this recipe. Fantastic, nice, and lovely. And I know you guys will love it. Alright, let's go into business with it. Alright, so first thing, I'm gonna show you what I got. I got some strawberry, which I'm going to be cutting up inside of it. One, that's 2 strawberry. This one is really big. 3, 4, 5, 6 strawberries inside of it. Look at that. Summer. This one, it is summer fruit juice. Then we're gonna put some red apple and also 1 orange inside of it. Alright, guys, if you want to put some more stuff, it's up to you. You can put lemon, you can put ginger, whatever you like to put inside of it. You can always put it inside of it if you like to, but I'm just gonna keep the recipe very simple and easy. You know what, let's put some ginger and all them things inside of it. We're gonna put ginger and some lemon in it just to make it come out really nice. Some ginger, and what I'm gonna do is just remove the skin from the lemon and cut a nice piece of a lemon, put on it, alright? Lovely. So I'll put a piece of lemon inside of it and we're gonna blend it so inside of it. All I need to do, put a little bit of liquid to free up the blender. Squeeze a little honey. We are using some honey. This is a raw honey I'm being using, guys. Not your kind of original honey you normally buy a shop. This is a raw one. This one is very expensive. And if you're gonna buy honey, make sure you buy the raw one. Nice one. Blend this about 4 to 5 minutes and you're good to go. Nice and lovely. Just finished blend it. Summer fruits juice, we're gonna strain it. Alright? Lot of strawberry. We're gonna strain it. Nice one. Get some of the fiber off of it and keep it smoothie. Notice I'm just getting rid of some of the fiber. Really nice and lovely. And this is the summer drinks. Summer fruit drinks. Really nice. And I know you guys will love this one. And you can add a lot more different kind of juice to it. I love to just keep it simple for my fans, them. Nice one. As you can see, we're gonna strain the rest. Really nice. Look at that. Really, guys, I'll tell you something. Someone asked me for a drink of, you know what I mean, a lot of people keep asking me, Chef Ricardo, we need to lose weight, we need to put on weight. And someone asked me the other day, Chef Ricardo, do you have anything we can put on weight? I need to make that recipe very quickly too. Alright, so as you can see, this is the summer fruit juice. You know what I mean, right now the sun hot out there. Although it's spring now, you know. Really, look at that, guys. Beautiful and nice. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Take a little time. Yes, yes. And just simple. Get rid of, you don't want to have too much of the fiber. You know what I mean? Sometimes the fiber not too much of the fiber doesn't good for you. Get your glass. And a lot of strawberry around it, as you can see. Some ice. And just pour it in like this. Oh my days, guys, look at that. That is fantastic. That's what exactly Chef Ricardo been talking about. That one is the summer fruit juice. Summer fruit juice. Enjoy the recipe. Subscribe. Leave your comments below. It is a fantastic drink and I know you guys will love it. So anyway, we're gonna leave you with this one and hopefully we can come with best, better in the future from Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. And this drink is a bomb drink. So enjoy it and leave your comments below. 500 likes, 500 comments. I will be happy. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show and see you next time. Bye. Inside of my bowl right here. This is the bowl. You know what I wash out my fruits because I like to wash my stuff them. Guys, wash your things them when you buy them at the supermarket. Put this right here, sir. This is my ninja blender. I'm gonna show you exactly what's taking place. So, first thing, this is a lemon. And I already removed the skin. Let's cut into half, put it straight inside of it. Green apple. One small, medium-sized green apple I'm been using. Cut it up very small. Put it straight inside of it. Red apple, one red apple. One medium-sized carrot. Straight inside of it like this. Piece of a ginger. Alright. Honey. And some water. Nice one. Cover. Make yourself a nice, lovely drink from carrot, apple, ginger, lemon, and honey, and water. And blend it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So basically, I just finished blend it. Remove it. And all you have to do, when you remove it, very easy and simple, nothing too complicated. Alright, just wipe off my surface because I've been blending a lot of things right here. So basically, you know what I mean, don't mess up the blender. Just wipe it up and clean up the place. Alright, so I just finished blend it. So what I'm gonna do is strain it. Run it through my strainer, get rid of some of the fiber. Alright. Some people will drink the fiber, but sometimes I do. And the next time I don't drink, I just want to make a nice lovely drinks. So as I can see, got the ginger, everything in it. You can simmer the ginger. Simmer really nice. Strain off the liquor rest left. Yeah. So if you're at home, you know, you don't want to spend no money if you buy certain things, you got a little extra things left in your fridge. Yeah, this is what you can do. Then the beauty is to get it with some ice. Serve with a lot of ice. That's the whole thing. Look at this now. Summer is in the year. Beautiful and nice. This is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe, as I can see. Fantastic looking, lovely and nice. And I know you guys will love that drink. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching it. Got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming towards the Juice Bar channel. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. So enjoy it, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.